Welcome to the world of powerful wood splitters that tear through massive logs with absolute precision. This is where machines reign over the forest timber. Subscribe now to experience raw, satisfying power. Welcome to Woodpath channel. Every rotation of the drum brings chaos to wood and debris. Nothing escapes the beast, not thick trunks, twisted branches, or stubborn stumps. It grinds, it crushes, it conquers. The ground shakes, chips fly, and the job gets done fast and flawlessly. This is not just machinery. This is muscle, metal, and mastery combined. Watch as this powerful wood chipper tackles a full-sized pine tree. Its sharp blades and heavy-duty feed system pull the log in smoothly and shred it into clean, consistent wood chips in just seconds. Pine wood can be challenging due to its sticky resin and dense grain, but this machine handles it effortlessly. Fast, efficient, and built for the job, this is forestry at its finest. The 2017 Moorbark 18 brush chipper operates powerfully right on the road, designed to handle small branches, tree tops, and larger tree trunks cleared during forestry or land management operations. With its robust strength and sturdy design, the chipper processes bulky logs into neat, manageable wood chips, making transportation and further processing much easier. The wood chips produced are neatly organized, minimizing space and facilitating reuse or delivery to processing plants. The Vermeer WC2300XL hole tree chipper operates like a mechanical warrior on the edge of a wooded area near a suburban home. Massive tree trunks and tangled branches, seemingly left behind after a storm, have been gathered and are now lined up along the machine's in-feed conveyor. The long conveyor belt moves steadily, its rollers turning rhythmically as it pulls the dense, branch-laden trees forward. Each tree, with knotted limbs stretching in all directions, glides smoothly as if floating along a mechanical river. As the tangled mass nears the chipper's mouth, the air grows tense. The machine hums, then suddenly roars as the internal drum spins up. Sharp blades scream to life, tearing through thick wood and foliage alike. The crunching, shredding, and ripping sounds echo across the area as branches are instantly reduced to fine wood chips. From the rear discharge chute, a thick stream of wood mulch bursts outward, piling up neatly into a corner clearing, ready for collection or reuse. Within minutes, what was once a chaotic pile of fallen trees and tangled brush is now an orderly, clean space. The WC2300XL has done its job, swift, controlled, and powerful, restoring safety and clarity to the residential edge of the forest. This is Big Bear, a true beast in the wood chipping world. Built for heavy-duty work, it chews through thick logs, tangled branches, and stubborn stumps with brutal force. Watch as it devours tree after tree, turning them into clean, uniform wood chips in seconds. With its powerful engine and aggressive feed system, Big Bear is made for tough jobs and nonstop performance. When power meets reliability, Big Bear leads the way. This is Bandit, a name trusted in the world of wood chippers. Watch as the machine springs into action, grinding massive logs, branches, and stumps into fine wood chips within seconds. With its powerful engine and aggressive feed system, Bandit tackles even the toughest wood with ease. Built for performance, durability, and speed, this machine is the perfect choice for land clearing, forestry, and biomass processing. When power meets precision, that's Bandit in action. The PTH 1200 to 660M Petzolata wood chipper is a heavy-duty industrial machine equipped with a powerful Caterpillar C9 engine producing 375 horsepower, providing exceptional strength to meet the demands of large-scale wood harvesting. This diesel engine is not only powerful but also highly durable, allowing continuous operation for many hours without failure. When starting, the engine emits a smooth but strong roar, signaling the machine's readiness to unleash its power. The chipper drum is constructed from high wear-resistant steel and fitted with multiple sharp alloy steel blades. The drum spins at high speed, generating intense crushing force that breaks down large logs into uniformly sized wood chips. The resulting chips are consistent in size, not too fine or too large, meeting the standards required by downstream wood processing industries. The machine is mounted on an advanced tracked system that allows flexible movement over various terrains, including rugged mountains or muddy grounds. The track drive system provides stability, enhances traction, and minimizes slippage, ensuring safe and efficient operation. As the machine moves, the sound of tracks rubbing against the ground merges with the chipping drum's noise, creating a powerful industrial symphony. An intelligently designed conveyor belt operates continuously, automatically drawing logs into the blade area smoothly without interruption. Operators can adjust the conveyor and drum speeds to match the wood type, log size, and final usage. This adjustability is crucial to optimizing productivity and chip quality. The noise generated during operation is loud, typical of heavy industrial wood harvesting equipment. This noise can be uncomfortable or harmful to operators' hearing if protective gear, such as earplugs or noise-canceling helmets, is not used. Additionally, the sound of wood fibers tearing and being crushed combined with the mechanical noise creates an intense acoustic environment full of power. The machine features an advanced safety system, including obstacle detection sensors and emergency stop buttons placed around the equipment. In case of any hazard or operator intervention, pressing the emergency stop immediately halts the machine to prevent accidents. This safety feature is particularly essential in logging sites with challenging terrain and high risk. Moreover, the PTH 1200 to 660M chipper is optimized for maintenance, with an automatic lubrication system that prolongs blade and engine life. Parts replacement is also designed to be straightforward, reducing downtime and enhancing operational efficiency. These factors make the machine a top choice for businesses engaged in wood harvesting and processing. Amidst a vast, snow-covered forest, the powerful Ponzi forestry machine moves with precision and strength. Its mechanical arm reaches out effortlessly, gripping massive logs and lifting them onto the waiting truck. Each movement is deliberate, a blend of engineering mastery and raw power. As the machine loads log after log, the forest echoes with the rhythmic sounds of machinery at work, a symbol of modern forestry in action. Deep in the forest, two powerful machines work side by side. The Rot H8D, a compact and agile harvester, moves swiftly between trees. Its arm reaches out, cutting and processing logs in one smooth motion. Slice, strip, and stack. Just meters away, the Rot F10D stands ready, a reliable four-worder built to haul heavy loads. As soon as the H8D finishes, the F10D moves in. Its strong hydraulic crane picks up the processed logs and loads them onto the rear bunk with precision. Together, they form a perfect team, one harvesting, the other transporting. In the heart of the forest, man and machine work in harmony, turning dense woodland into organized timber quickly, cleanly, and efficiently. Amid rugged terrain and fallen timber, the log loader moves with power and precision. One by one, massive tree trunks are gathered and brought to the collection yard. It's a perfect rhythm of man and machine, working together to transform the raw strength of the forest into organized progress. Amidst the deep forest blanketed in snow, the rotten F-15 with ALSD system roars to life. With powerful precision, it navigates the rugged terrain, its claw-like grapple swinging into action. One by one, the freshly cut logs are lifted and neatly stacked. Snow crunches under the massive tires as the operator works with calm mastery. Technology and nature meet here. Efficiency, strength, and grace in motion. As snow swirls in the cold wind, visibility drops, but the machine doesn't slow down. Its headlights cut through the storm like eyes of a predator. Each movement is deliberate, each log carefully lifted and placed, even as ice clings to the metal frame. The forest may be silent, but this moment is alive, with motion, power, and resilience. This is not just logging. This is survival, precision, and mastery in the heart of winter. The Komatsu 845 moves steadily through the dense forest, navigating uneven terrain with its sturdy tracks. Its powerful hydraulic arm extends smoothly to grasp freshly cut logs. With precise control, the machine lifts and loads the timber onto its cargo bed. The Komatsu 845 works efficiently, combining strength and agility to handle tough forestry tasks in challenging environments. Deep within the forest, a powerful machine rumbles to life. Its task: to pull massive, freshly cut logs from the heart of the woods to the edge of civilization. The vehicle moves with determination, carving a path through narrow trails and uneven terrain. Each tree it drags carries decades of growth, silently telling the story of the forest's resilience in time. The sound of snapping branches and rolling wheels echoes like a symphony of industry and nature intertwined. This is not just a machine at work. It's part of a greater process, where raw natural resources begin their journey toward new life and purpose. In the middle of the clearing, a compact forestry machine springs into action. Though small in stature, it maneuvers confidently between the freshly cut trunks, gripping and lifting them with surprising ease. Its hydraulic arm moves with the precision of a craftsman and the power of a giant. Piece by piece, it clears the forest floor, transforming a chaotic landscape into neat piles ready for transport. This little machine is the unsung hero of the forest, efficient, nimble, and relentless in its mission to move nature forward. It's early spring, and the forest ground is soaked from recent rains. The Belarus MTZ 1221.2 is hard at work, pulling a homemade trailer fully loaded with long, heavy logs. The path is narrow, slippery, and deeply rutted with mud, a typical day in forest logging during the wet season. The driver navigates slowly but steadily, keeping the wheels aligned in the deep tracks. The tractor struggles in places, tires spinning, mud flying. There's no extra help, no second vehicle. Just one machine, one man, and a job that has to be done. Every meter of progress is earned. This kind of work isn't glamorous. It's dirty, slow, and tough, but it's necessary. The logs collected today will be used for construction, firewood, or processing. This is real-world forestry, not staged, not clean. Just honest labor in tough terrain. Amid falling snow, the powerful log loader operates with precision. Its hydraulic arm extends steadily, the grapple rotating smoothly as it targets a freshly cut tree. With a firm grip, the log is lifted from the snowy ground. Snowflakes swirl around as the machine swings the log through the cold air. Slowly and carefully, it places the heavy trunk onto the flatbed of the forwarder truck. The metal thud echoes faintly through the winter forest. Despite the harsh, frozen conditions, the machine performs flawlessly, each movement calculated, every motion efficient. The contrast of steel and snow highlights the raw beauty of forestry work in extreme weather. Breaking through the thick mud and rugged terrain, the timber forwarder pushes steadily into the forest. Each wheel turn is a battle against nature, but this machine is built for it, strong, determined, unstoppable. Its journey begins where the trail ends. Surrounded by towering trees and dense greenery, the machine gets to work. Its mechanical arm swings into action, lifting and stacking massive logs with delicate precision. In the silence of the forest, technology performs a quiet dance of strength and skill. Loaded and ready, the forwarder retraces its path, now carrying the forest harvest. Slowly but steadily, it moves through the wild, bringing timber from the heart of nature to the edge of human progress. A vital link between untouched wilderness and modern industry. In the heart of a soaked and unforgiving forest, the log set 6F roars to life. Battling deep mud and rough terrain, it moves with unstoppable determination. Its massive grapple arm swings with precision, gripping, lifting, and stacking heavy logs with incredible strength. The wheels churn through sludge, but the machine never falters. In this harsh environment, every movement counts, and the log set 6F proves it was engineered to thrive where others would fail. This is not just logging. This is survival. This is domination.